I would say I got to say there's something extraordinary. Yes, I can. The actor, the YouTuber, and probably on the way teacher, our educator, our baby, and some many so BB and so actual. But you can't have to just say this year I did. But I'm son, if it didn't carry a home come. But your son will be about, and it's the wise GH. Ababa.
Chamba.
Apumbo Podi.
Yanko found now way.
Ah, bad Adam. You want to say Bungri style.
Well, you see,
We are going more Barcelona plans of Boko.
Finally, you're going to as a rabbit.
We are Cassia Bay and Quande. Miss Amwa, you, the wise GH. And I'll do a sort of come. I started my mistress. Mamma said you and now some better. About Molly. Ababa. It's the same. Budini Yena at your phone tea. Molly Nana Minta. Molly Yeding.
Akoko that's in the terms in the economy. To be son is a way there no. To akoko. You are kind video and the reply.
Oh okay. Molly we here then.
That's so.
I will say I will catch up Misaka the wise GH and the wise actor. Ucha short skits, short movies. I will share now three any long ones. In fact, we push a lot. Couldn't be more and videos maybe. I'm going because I'm going. Yes, but my young tradition should be Nico move kaka obe climb. And then Molly Nana Minta. Honestly, actress, comedian. Me patona me can comedian. And so odi can dey tell me. Molly, I go to do your mom biana. Who's that going to be? That oh, I mean, oh, Casaneti Fonti. Oh, Pessimist, my main kind of shit. My own good device. So, the journey so far, oh, yeah, acting. Oh, yeah, Western of Hanomo. It's saying, challenges, the good and the bad.
Yeah, me, I'm a bra, but I was so mammy, sir, couldn't be. A Jumane dear. Yamianka said him say 80 challenges and unwanting. I don't know, me Casa. Yeah, Jumane dear, but your brain, yeah, Juma, but they started Jumano. I think they started way back in the 2016.
2016, and I was starting.
Oh, Kumasi, KSTS, only be school.
Okay.
2 minutes, and Jumani, it will be moved by 100 dead.
Okay.
We school so Mantiana, my bammy Western dear, any kind of middleman session with them if it was a twasso. Okay. Now, your friends will say, true ass and also a mouth wants to be to me about out in Libya. See a humanity editing.
It's that 2016 or first year now there okay first oh yeah short movie and I say
short comic yeah not title no yeah Boys the Black but unfortunately you will trailer never out okay but come on because me kwakoji the main video no and a full video no me kwa ye any panel say had this clash oh satan no so na trailer never out it's not amount pressure about yes it's not my first video it's immediate me back out Boys the Black but unfortunately no full thing na kasa about trailer no kwa but you say wabubia 2016 ababisi sabri 2021 the journey so far obi the child movie and they had this echo crash ama wenya full video no time back when I started to be child and for now still be the child videos ma obi na edit ma one thing I say me feel Kumasi me school na me ba Western so you are controlling me free okay the me show no na me say me ni ji adwuma no nti me ho tete me ankasa in the camera aspect now you find it difficult. No make that boys and girls almost be 20 and almost mechi. rehearsing and do stuff in a but because of camera aspect ni camera you need to be obey editing na majuma na yede but enemy jina ha kasa me started with phone and na me dey comic no me started with phone and even go twa wie kwanya obefa so obetimi ayede te kora na adwuma na ba out no na no so you program because you ni obi a obetimi aye sa curtains ni nyina e dey amaye we am coming ko for mu di machi nyina ehwete na obi a eni machi me ti we ni na coming ko and na man phone so e ka say oh me dey menye obi a ye was ye dey phone esi me so en betwa mu bia oba me ajeja na the phone obi si yeso obi dwuma bra won to me high camera nti na adwuma na dey I think they spend almost 3 months about night 4 nights 3 months night for me be the how to edit video and then inshallah kan yan ko minimum adwuma be ba minimum me to me edit
video editing
minimum adwuma be ba minimum me to me edit
and then say there one hour editing videos
yeah me na me twa me na me edit sin na minimum no which is me na me generate
na generate
and sin mo me no
director camera
story writer everything
wow and so far short comic the go say what me in family film me everything na wo so far short comics am I almost be 150 short comics but there was social media na YouTube see 104 you go quite crowd fast so eba YouTube uploading and then we get into financing coin alpha so support and then how best people can also help but Molly on introducing into acting the comic now and I say
Molly me and me introducing
one
me and get
okay only na aye short comics in there
many year almost be 20 there many money
ni na mo shoot
ni na
okay it's financing aspect meaning say ultra short comic na will be making appearance the costume say fine what me the aspect of editing people na costume will be used so and actors ne be appear no more payment once and 7 how do you handle that one
it's difficult but at times men cast a device kasa enti o klemu se bia we boss ana obi e was a ton ya de no anya no aduru at times edu be kura costumes a me ami pese kura me hye e de atwesi ni krompo na edi ma me pa na akro yo no me ameba
okay
Molly no me ameba nti at times me mfane no ma difficult e won entadi shame sa te se okwa kofa obi die se bra no e was o make sure to be providing the needs e de amano nti costume aspect ne how to pay them and also because of money nti kra some of the stars ne be kra reject me o ma reject me collaboration ni ade mo because nipa no kwana nche no nka so okwana nche sa akwa at least anya hwe kra wasi bibi de wo de mano and bibi no so wo hefa nti yintumi always be ade local but yintumi in future big people
okay Molly the street girl comic no meet me akache tie bro akra de na fa
meet me akache metie for this how we started me first my girlfriend and you live in compound house and I mean say area in na ni area nti me ne ge be twam Molly so ni nua ban so etibia bi so nti ye twam a na Molly akasa why na ata no because and I said, like, you're confused. There's some like to week. Yeah, brass water, you're going to because one after. We say you like you're putting things on us. The one number back and I'm saying, one answer then was one after. And so I'm confused because me the word minimum ban so ban I it's not in person make a quick judgment. And the one maybe so ban say, well, fear now, why you? What's it? Any you na se nkra mi enu ya create confusion ama me ni wo bayi
ebi so na ka ko ye ma yiwi
nti afede na akwa se mabie kwa na no ode meti se Molly ka se mo kama nuntum wo ye dede we wi ha mo kama nuntum ye minimi nua ni create beef na se akwa no create beef and I demand again, but again in time, and I'm so many times.
Mostly the confusion.
Like confused one guy.
Prepare now start seeing social media say over start put on YouTube especially.
Yeah. Sine ko bi one thing is me started and I'm a industry anymore. My mom purposely for YouTube.
Okay.
Let me nim bibi o YouTube. Me nim bibi for YouTube. Me dem say bia o YouTube dey am for videos ye hwe. But let me nim mfaso a na YouTube. But Facebook nso dey e ho na me dey denti na dey. Me nim say posting, sharing and one comment ni ade mo. But let me nim mfaso wo. Nti mindset no na enya but say me ba benya bibi e wo YouTube. Nti me ye adwuma mo be 30 kra amount for phone so ni emphasis Facebook nko na let me promote. Nti obi so advice say me friend me and me can say e ya me create YouTube channel. Na okay na imagine bebre say I say oh isika wo ho create YouTube channel be bo wa. Nti I was say we ya na create YouTube channel and I'm so okay na it. And I create YouTube channel. Na me create YouTube channel no chairman it is a word deal. Ni say ma blog say fa dwan. Sa no what dey
let's subscribe.
Me send the video grab me what after say me first what forming in YouTube channel link na what distribute am our friends so we ba ko ni part anya 3 o tse na tse ni part 3 ada we ko no mo akwa nti what's up mo me send on the thanks nice oh that's nice no ma send emojis na se dey
go ba so one shana
omo hwe nti nkakra sa mpanyimfo se bi nkakra na akokɔ me started 3 4 5 6 7 na kon nkakra nti matimi apushi YouTube no sa se subscribers subscribers said no obi kura be hwe video ba woni ma to kura fe subscribe
and everybody more than ya break it down you share how best that everything about the worst challenge and our greatest challenge we face here this comic and acting ni mu no camera now ni and I say is the worst challenge you or face challenge bi pa
challenges ne dey me nka se camera nko but untumi ni camera
me just said challenge our face here go abonanka unya kra anka we jai acting
camera kan na comment so ba outside obi kra humia edu ba bi kra na me kra me ferry say me ye actor na me act because amon for humia na ye twetwe me here mu nyo what dey kokuma mu ko me ka say you was set so I think the na me nko for be 6 ni twa short bia me say man bia wa amode amonze ba moyo aja ko mo ko be na video ku ati akondo mana enwa ekwache act unfortunately chairman me de me ba bia be free banti na me nsuro bibia na aye mati aduma na se odo se misuade ba na mati aduma na se but omo ana omo ye close to me na bombo aide ma give them the challenges na dey bebre and yeah kikan na yisika se camera kron po access to yisika so yeah utwa na ntumi edit obi be edit am so no so won so yisika it ni nyina no mitimo se yisika and then challenges am face because who will scout bit want to be here
okay who will scout bit me out to be here eti omon pese omo follow and omo subscribe na monthly subscriber show videos maybe eti my social media handles
Facebook ADYGH
Facebook
ADYGH
DYGH
but you know just D I do more D D
okay D space
GH
okay
and a YouTube channel also yeah DYGH TV DYGH TV
D any wise no hyphen behind them
hyphen them YouTube then hyphen them D hyphen YGH TV
D hyphen
wise GH TV
okay okay I don't know okwa videos be very ewo hono mo my mistake all the film man videos egu hono ma obetimi enye bi ahwe kama You know, say, you must about change you. Nah, I feel you be shady. Corrosive.
Aye.
Champion corrosive.
Champion Kobe.
Corrosive Bruce.
Yeah, man.
You must have won your nomination. Say, I
Feeling
VJ me about.
But
before you go VJ me now about BET, I recognize it. Yautag as the best amplified international artist of the month.
Nice one. From Santasi to USA, it's a straight motivation to everyone. Or pay Yautag as or Yautag artist from Santasi. Over this year, SHS this year, September.
Oh wow! So from 3.
From 3.
I want to see until I want to know.
Oh, Charlie. Popular.
Okay.
It's we are artists. Young coming as a by Yautag, you'll be also. Woman idol now share. It's but as time goes on, say it's a VGM about when your nominees more now. We are hoping say when you want to because BT are recognizing any day. You know, can't say Ghana watching the Suli as America.
America, there were 3 music.
America, 3 music.
Okay, 7 no.
7-0. Kofi Daman so this year when you're 7.
Yes.
See me bomb by say boys in more now meet me nya.
Yes. Okay. I feel Adina on the top nomination
On the top
with 10 nominations. And easy. Adina nya 10 and Akidi nya 9. Kofi Jama Sako the medical Kwame Eugene obi nya 7. And Drew and Hamilton 6. Keche Joey that vice Chrisiata omina nya 5 each. Nominations number
about baby I'm doing many share. Most popular song of the year.
Most popular song of the year.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. I want to hear piano. Se Drew Hona Ubia when you ma okay. Ghana has a genre no be pe dancehall, e be pe hip hop, e be pe afro pop, e be pe high life, e be pe hip life. It is a Drew sa category now. You different kinds of songs in the world. In Diana Ghana when you can say be say you be nya I was taking normal because want me they make you waves more. But
it's total cheating now ahead of one corner.
No, total cheating no. Total cheating. So then time no call Tamalene northern regional. Northern part of Ghana now.
Yes.
Me blow a chain one corner no. But all do not one corner so make you say free Ghana, Nigeria and other stuff.
You understand?
Yeah, what's the shit coming there? Okay, Ravi Jeremy. Why say you know with me? Anna.
Oh, Nana. So 7-0.
So that category there, let's say Penny Part 3. Say we are money with me. Okay. That's Yauto. Sorry, remix. Sorry.
So we who's a remix na?
Sorry, the main one.
Yeah. Remix na year 2021.
Only Asaka boys no. O Kenneth na boys no. I know.
SJ Bad. City Boy.
I know stand the one. And I also Kofi Jama.
Okay.
I know say banging.
Oh, your recognition will BBC. In fact,
BBC
featured me
nice
here.
one.
They featured me.
Ghana.
So it's your 716. Where you get award? Your chairman get dog. Medical, no. So it's a new one from his EP, The Island EP. Of Freeway or same. I was trying to embassy about stories in the brave, but the division made here and a big job. Your custody will be enough in your question. And I say how to monetize your social media accounts. It's Facebook now I use Instagram now I use TikTok. YouTube no. But I never come a bit before. Now I can baby on be focus pa. Na yensua de. Na fe wo so tifie na wo use data. Tem be out Facebook. Why you Facebook boss? Now so wunya hwimfim. Da bia you lose money mo ho no. And be share de wa. Enti brother so for uni and friend in here. Let us learn. Let's make money out of social media because it can be break. Social media that's made Mark Zuckerberg. He's among the top 6 richest men in the world. Mark Zuckerberg, the owner of Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, social media, no. Chelsea, can be brave. What's the Gambocho? It's a phone, so continuing to 90.7 in a mature was from under dear so entertainment flavor and a dear chowa dear yes make money out of your social media and it's in time cry and say hono me starting fee device hono device it's yes social media mudi hena obefa
okay me mefa YouTube aspect
obefa YouTube aspect fine it's for the best who fear na wetie me ye who question or starting na phone lines ni ebie me bie phone lines no enti o kadru baby na bibi e kire wadwen opese hu bibi bia question bia obetimi afre na wabisa na wakire mu enti do I get so obefa Facebook and YouTube aspect why abetimi afaso enya sika e hote legitimate money if YouTube and the device yes I say
chama me da wase so amame sa akonya bi gidi say amount for 80
amount for 80
because na me chere radio die 90.7 FM me me bia etime ko amount for 88 and big ups to all my guys I contemporary in so much be egumpa
contemporary for ya na say muti sabi ma me bisa the question na yes simple my
okay
me pese me nyesika ewo YouTube why be so na me fa so
chairman no credit what bisa question one thing is say o pese wo nyesika ewo YouTube channel na so ade e was away and say obenya project
okay
yeah with that project I don't think so bit ma nyesika
o ka project plan anything
say make us a project and I make us a big craft ade away
ade a pese o ye
because if you do
ne nyom ko na beto o be acting o be die diane no a nti wo kira so pese wo nyesika the first one here say nya bibia wo be ye
okay after say when
you for at no say when nya bibia wo be ye constantly e be ma content ye ten bia wo be ye
okay after say when hu die wo ye no na what create YouTube channel no
okay
yeah because with that YouTube channel no Gmail accounts create Gmail account I don't think so be me assigning in YouTube it's okay to Gmail account and after that no what me assigning in YouTube it's after so create YouTube channel Gmail account and everything now we create YouTube channel it's after so we create channel no we project and I mean first of all no man me first music movies or pictures ne advert bi a wo pese wo posti edit to platform ne so no social media na wo posti edit to YouTube channel and after so wo posti to YouTube channel unwie onye hwe kora onko ba bia ade e wo sa wo ye ne se obetimi monetize channel no by say or share or links after so me first wo posti video na we no e be bear links into link no no share am our friends link no wo share no so unwie I was okay say o subscribe among for it subscribe and subscribe and so your standard be a wudra and no na ye ka se be betua wo ka and no me fa say 1k
okay I was for subscription now you break it down say man I saw wo Facebook I'm more friends Twitter for friend or followers when you friends 1,000 if you walk on and ubitimi anyesika fi account
na eno mpo no anyese wo free wa no anyesika se wadi djuma ewo subscribe aspect no no anya 1k kura unnu ba bia ade ye wo se wo hwe monetization watch hours and watch hours near 4,000 watch hours
4,000 watch hours na yeren
mean ka se mere dodo a ye di hwe video no Emma, me fa say me kan say numbers do it me show videos no
and then number of minutes we show video and the edikan I was say unya 1,000 subscribers and sakra na wait me monetize account no na enu echi no another condition na ye
watch hours
4,000 watch hours and they say yen show videos ayakeka boma yakeka minutes ni boma e be do 4,000 okay
and chama 4,000 the crumple no I think say watch hours na subscribe no they the most difficult watch hours no subscribe na dey obetimi enya obetimi for abo sen club obetimi enya But kwanya send ye be amanfo bitimi a ipa dodo bitimi ahwe wo sa video no ma wa reach sa target no
4,000 watch hours
and money asem.
Okay. And see, so you have 4,000 watch hours now, and not if you work on a bit, me monetize the account.
Yeah. I want to YouTube in Ghana for there.
No.
Me first say USD. Nti anya wo dia afina no mba be monetization amount. Nti so yesterday omo ma reach sa target no. Before say on nipa no reach kwa na say wo mu ta ko YouTube America bi e be ma won say dey making say na me pa che. Was over before so over video no. Omo dey advert bi be 2 video no so say 3 seconds so say.
Yes.
Yeah. Before so wo video dey na say start. Nti obi a se bi na dey ekosa bia ada se wa be ni sika na se yetua ne ka. Ba unya hu sa no ma we America wan se me dey a and you forget it.
Nti monetize the account.
Yeah, monetize. Ena ade na ye no tembe America the ye say no YouTube ye hu amanfo hu ye but ye ntumi nko worldwide. Enko echi ye local ya ene because say ekọ echi na me fasa amanfo ehwa wo di video ne to wa enye wo mpo na wo ba be push video ne say nipa mehwe wo de to wa YouTube for na push video no onu omo push nto be yem fa Shatawale ne big artist no ne omo forest and yem fa omo nya yi fa nto se o post ya dia enche wo be na
reach a lot of people
viewers ana want to me first procedure ya make kan mu bia so ya Fred be boasting
so untimi enya 1k subscribers, that's 1,000 subscribers and now 4,000 watch hours now. Other option boosting
and boosting no men can say and they am first what mean how me sing breaking it down. So
yeah answer will be breaking it down. You call corrosive na corrosive work YouTube live. Okay. And see about the number of subscribers I will be here, the watch hours.
Exactly. YouTube say to be paid on YouTube net to reach your goal. Say if you 1k views, near subscribers views. There was subscribers the views.
Views here videos to do on my channel. And thread to do on my video.
We do have 50,000 subscribers. But in views to plan coin. Subscriber go subscriber ya na the phone na ira. Nti wo the video to ha nti menhwe.
Ba say ebo ma ono push you travel.
Wa pa. Name views ni dey count pa for example you say the most views video on YouTube e be sanwe e be billions.
Yes.
Yen ka say subscribers. It's all for views. YouTube is about views. Deeply amount for shit. It was 0 subscribers. Na say when you 1 million views and cafe.
0 subscribers. No when you 1 million views.
It's unya he.
Now 1 million subscribers. Now when you 0 views, 0 so
it's balance.
Okay.
I want say balance. And I say you go on so boost it be discount.
Yeah.
Through PayPal and other platforms. Okay. For example, Facebook page. You go Facebook page. Name of Facebook page of 15,000. Corrupt mind. The person boosting on Edo Kobe 30,000. It needs amount. It's got send me the says can or more request this can be. I think say meeting can. Send me the says can share my account and be ebia bit more post here 1 minute me be 500 likes or Facebook. I'm talking about Facebook. It's YouTube no you discuss and it's a boosting. This oh yeah ebia be now over it need money.
Okay. That's a old number we could number. Now we need 1,000 subscribers. Now meet me boost. We boost you now. Am I going to get 1,000 or what?
Who boost with money now? Obi timenya 1,000 views.
Okay,
it's amount to be your for example be a Facebook I make this fake example. Go person will not like some more. And yet those auto likes and these things, you know. Boosting with money. PayPal, Uber account and so no matter if you Visa card and idea. So what TV that's a post here. Then I would boosting with money, you know. Likes with more about 6,000k likes, any views and comments and reactions. So I just say, it's amazing. Social media is about money.
Okay.
And now how hard I've been run.
Now, my father say, my satisfied condition. First one, many 1,000 subscribers and above. Many 4,000 watch hours. Why many my first win is
first I think say who do sa is na said okay say CBA be upload video o video your is be about 30 seconds so channel na ya reach sa we na o me start here beside some wow details.
Okay, that's platform na be beside
because they said we have Twitter verification. Is on na say account ni ya na say engagement ba mo say oh na Twitter message you Twitter verified one message you say Jack Dozie na e twa message to be some particular say you want to verify you follow some procedure until to get paid you know we be some details now when we go to okay
now na monetize area yan hwe sika ifi ho ba your amount be say bia nipa ba ko sha this is how much amenya
to my research you know via YouTube I think they start paying from 1k
1k views.
1k views.
Okay.
1,000
views. I
think it's $85 you're saying.
80 per view.
1,000 view.
Okay, per 1k view no. $85.
And I think $1 is 5 cedi 60 pesos.
$1 5 cedi 50.
So 5 cedi 60 pesos times.
So you find 5.5
550
times 85. And this all the video back home. 1k. That's 1,000 views.
1,000 views.
I know about 460 Ghana cedis.
4.6 million.
Okay. And yes, simple calculation there. So for the
cash the most true video in Ghana.
80 million. 75. Almost 5 million. 75 million no cra
member phone number say you this guy
is giving him about wow 41 million Ghana cedis 41 million Ghana cedis easy. That is how much people are getting paid there. E do 1k na ni etua car na say
omo depend who upload video no to ene be at say me and the wise upload video be 30 say the first video I saw 1k YouTube na be monetize wa account no omo na be say guy we onya engagement until next video be hit 1k omo message you for those asset details what qualify until YouTube na be chat. I say YouTube channel is about downloading the app. Watch app na when your channel.
Yes,
that's it. And also do Gmail and Internet or upload on here man. I will share links. Until it entails a lot.
Right. Abuja for me say what TP, me say be our question video. Lights near rough kakra. Yeah, restricted phone near shady. It's to say Abuja for no more how me at say one YouTube and then teach you your focus ni na YouTube. YouTube. The decline will here 1,000 subscribers. They say friends on Facebook. They talk to me, 4,000 watch hours. In fact, all the video at all. Video no. Let's say video about upload should be length no. You down. So video no answer bit me any on the video no. The length shouldn't be below 3 minutes.
One thing is to say you say short comics, you know. We short comics. Now so ubi to full movie. Now the movie no more the kotoa. When you 1k from full movie. Now be 1k from short comic now. Can you say the otwa full movie no be benefiting more than you? I didn't in America sir. Video the lines na wa full movie na wa. It will be so wo hwe. Imagine so credit ahen na bit my there.
1 hour video.
Yeah,
60 minutes.
Imagine credit ahen
out of 4,000 when you're 60 or
yeah. It's also here with 3 minutes. Obi be here. It will always be any pan and video no one.
So all the 3 minutes no.
Aha.
Unya about 20 people. No machine. Then they will be there and higher pay.
But more about the same 1k.
It's all about content.
Koroka said no, or Kosi, right? Or can I say be or say about paying aspect, no? Mr. My researcher, my kakra, my and say, I say, I feel like you're creating YouTube channel, no, and see, I know you have a dollar sign, the movie beer, or what me cook him. But beginning of the year, you canna, who amount a beba. It will be to me receive 4,000, and above near the only amount a beba. But some amount in the baby says he can be not a started you more at the account here will be. You need to have a sound by 0. Okay. A bisa counted. I counted dollars in a airport and you will but after I would see a similar when I was the Acabas was one and I didn't
the American traps were YouTube now. YouTube says, okay, you need pushing. It always says YouTube now. Always copy aging of Twitter. So I'm saying it because influencers are what Twitter. When you're fluent than all the social media platforms.
I think I made me a better testimony. Miami Nipa to La Pato about a month ago. No, over 895 subscribers. The Obabi Dini birthday and a year new video, new music, new video. No, yes, you will get the help of influencers. Now,
Agenda Boys.
Now, when I'm 6K.
The video.
Subscribers. And the video no already know what videos you want. What 13K, 15K. But none of subscribers no. Onyenya 1K no. And the or get those influencers now. Almost share trendy. In fact, it didn't even break into the first 30 trends on Twitter. But see when I'm 6K subscribers and see yes getting influencers. Obviously you might no.
Agenda Boys. Me say I have influencers.
Yes.
If you want to trend on Twitter like they do.
Send them here the bar 23.
23. And okay, many a tag. And I think your part, yeah, you money na. It take be one app with the hashtag NEP. Mona de dinzo blue here. Inti YouTube no. What can say? What share na WhatsApp? Omu film. WhatsApp for. Obi be share. Obi chembra. Obi timinya WhatsApp views by 200. What the YouTube link na to. I will call link na nipa 2. Na se nipa 100 no. Obi okwa won share. Oboss no free. So get okay. So to get committed people on it, I think YouTube always based on Twitter.
YouTube always based on Twitter. So we're creating content.
Now they are more influencers.
Let them push it. But influencers, no, they don't push any content at all. You see, a content no should be a dear. Obit me a defender. Obit me a come was a copyright and someone or set the agenda now or no the agenda will agenda the agenda will agenda
I think Kiddy was even an agenda boy. There was a time he did
Saturday, yes.
Way back 2002. But I know it's blue. I bet start. Agenda boy, I know agenda boy for Samini. So we did Saturday. What did you say no?
Say I to be some combination. BT. So that Saturday or no brag.
So and now be style. I think it's about one thing quite a part.
Agenda for the internet does it. Device. Yeah, be picture you more about 10 minutes. You picture you know final words na.
The final words are made ma obi bia wotie and say talent in we. I believe in talent. Western ha yen support talent sir. Yeah, yen support sir. No crowd on waka. Yen support talent and the best will be fine. Say you mumpo na mo se mon support ye na. Say one wo ba ye bibia support no. Man enko ahead. Me do na say anytime me do that yes be no makai DJ switch. Akwa we switch it up. From Western. So am ha. Baby, and let's be my main camera na men kana man font because video ni be ko echi. DJ switch that yes we are no. But any wunya ya aka wo you programmer ono na person obase. But we ban so the same talent ni bi ba won person be support no. bad very very bad nti yesere awofo momboa talent momboa mo support you na fe bi social media handle na so mo mani to device adwuma me yi me nkwa ma ho odi ntumi nye this mo aye mo mpo na mama device aye device Yankopon the first but Yankopon ni after so me bo obi aye me fans with that fans me device ni obia say the device yeti ni dia tina ko bi na ye fans the fans so Yankopon share mo support na mo subscribe mai
inshallah na mo subscribe abusia mo subscribe na mo share videos no na your hard work in pay off because your boy Juma na feel so support futu pa the device my switch if it's one man idea so support mami bi grand person e ba beto nyom because there was some kind of mentality be about omo eto nyom ana mo ye bibi esremo support corrosive of final words na anentia bia wo tia na
ntia ne de anentia Kasim August Kasim na atokwa me na teacher ni we very rich
oh my final words bia ntia no kwa
final words no de yaka bebre
yaka bebre yesi ade so bebre guys shout out me no bi na page yi
maybe my shout out to me check on to na multimedia phone na
okay
and me check senior kesi guru na me kan papa me check me check pontom na phone apontom na phone nyam mo aboa o
kontomra
mo aboa papa de bi di wa se adu na pontom na phone mo play me jo ro pa wo Yankopon hira mo kontom na phone me ka se me boje bi me ntimi kura makwa mistake me check pontom na phone na guru me check yanzo wa patience akwa me check Molly minimum in the buy. Molly. In what a she yet, why a chia.
Sister Patience.
That's your
Sister Patience.
Young people. Chakasandri.
Molly need to
Chakasandri. Is that Chakasandri? Yeah, I was answering Chakasandri. Yeah.
Me chia Kasim. Yes, I see from over me.
What Chakasim?
Casper.
Kojo Casper. Yo, the masse pa when my team for you na the masse say and then mutimi every greasy of my entertainment in my and we say you share there and then we are going to make money out of that.
Orana ya ding ding ding, yeah, kwe ni mwa ding ding ding. Enemies, why you the chase us? Why you the chase us? This year, yeah, ever fun. All my boys, everybody, ever fun.